Ready to add some Caribbean magic to your holidays? The Christmas season is here, and there's no better way to celebrate than with a touch of island flair. From mouth-watering Caribbean flavors to festive decor that radiates tropical warmth, we're bringing you the top 10 must-have Caribbean Christmas essentials to make your celebrations unforgettable. Get ready to infuse your holidays with the vibrant spirit and cozy charm of the islands. Let's dive in. Let's kick off our list with the ultimate holiday treat, Tortuga Provenance Rum Cake Variety Pack. What better way to start your holiday celebrations than with a true taste of the Caribbean? The Tortuga Provenance Rum Cake Variety Pack is the perfect way to bring bold flavors to your festivities. With 6 unique cakes featuring Kentucky Bourbon, Mama Juana, Mexican Vanilla, Blue Mountain Coffee, Caribbean Pineapple, and Flor de Caña, it's a flavor-packed adventure that will have everyone asking for seconds. Each cake is hand-glazed with 5-year aged premium rum and baked fresh daily, ensuring every bite is moist, buttery, and bursting with authentic tropical flavor. Packaged to perfection, it's an excellent gift or the star dessert for your holiday table. Start your season with the slice of paradise and bring the Caribbean's warmth to your celebrations. And the best part? Most of these products can be delivered within 48 hours, so you can start your season with a slice of paradise and bring the Caribbean's warmth to your celebrations right away. Just click the link in the description below. We've included all the links for this and every must-have item on our list to make your holiday shopping effortless. See the links below. Next on our list, the irresistible Jamaican Black Fruitcake. Nothing captures the essence of a Caribbean Christmas quite like this iconic dessert. The Jamaican Black Fruitcake is a 10-inch masterpiece from Royal Caribbean Bakery, packed with rum-soaked fruits and perfectly balanced sweetness. Each moist, rich bite delivers authentic Jamaican flavor that turns any celebration into a festive delight. Raved about for its luxurious texture and bold tropical taste, this fruitcake is more than a dessert. It's a cherished tradition and the ultimate holiday centerpiece. Whether you're gifting it or enjoying it with family, it brings warmth, heritage, and joy to your celebrations. Now, we're bringing the most popular and authentic Caribbean drink to your holidays, Premium Sorrel Hibiscus Flower Drink. This premium Jamaican-style sorrel drink is a must-have with your Caribbean fruitcake during the Christmas season. This is a 100% natural organic treasure that transforms into a vibrant, tangy drink bursting with holiday cheer. Steep it to create a refreshing cold beverage or a soothing warm tea, perfect for the season. We've included a video link below to show you how to make the best sorrel drinks in your home for the holidays. Check it out. Add ginger for a spicy kick, sweeten it just right, and enjoy a traditional taste that's been loved for generations. Whether served chilled or warm, it's a flavorful escape to the islands, bringing that festive Jamaican vibe straight to your kitchen. With top quality sourcing directly from Jamaica, this sorrel offers unmatched authenticity and flavor. Ready to experience it? Next up, the ultimate Trinidad and Tobago Christmas Bundle by Carib Shopper. A curated selection of Trinidad and Tobago's most iconic flavors and festive essentials, this bundle is a celebration in a box, packed with everything you need for an authentic Caribbean Christmas. Start with Nex's Punch de Crème, a creamy Caribbean twist on holiday eggnog, and save a golden root sorrel infused with star anise, bay leaf, and clove. Spice up breakfast with Spartan Foods sorrel pancake syrup, or add holiday flair to your baking with pure Caribbean mixed essences. For a creative touch, wrap your gifts in Light Bloom's pink sorrel gifting paper. Feeling adventurous? Add the tangy loose kitchen chow chow, flavorful Charlo Farms pimento flakes, or indulge in the comforting J-irie chocolate hot cocoa stick. The bundle also includes Angostura chill cans and left-hand dumpling sorrel relish for a refreshing finish. Online fans rave about the bundle's convenience and authenticity, making it the perfect way to embrace Caribbean traditions this season. Want to experience the warmth and spirit of Trinidad and Tobago? Click the link in the description and make your holidays unforgettable. Turn up the flavor with Walkerswood Jamaican Jerk Seasoning, spicy, mild, and saucy. Add authentic Jamaican flair to your Christmas meals with Walkerswood Jamaican Jerk Seasoning, now available in 3 delicious options: spicy, mild, and a flavorful jerk sauce. Whether you crave fiery heat or prefer a milder kick, there's something for everyone in this versatile collection. Hailing from St. Anne's, Jamaica, this seasoning blend combines Scotch bonnet peppers, scallions, allspice, nutmeg, and thyme, delivering bold Caribbean flavor with every bite. Perfect for marinating chicken, pork, fish, or veggies, it transforms everyday dishes into island-inspired delights. The jerk sauce adds a tangy, smoky twist, perfect for drizzling or dipping. Online fans rave about its authentic taste and adaptability, calling it a kitchen essential for recreating Jamaican dishes with ease. Add it to your holiday spread for a Caribbean twist or spice up your everyday meals. This seasoning guarantees delicious results every time. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our Caribbean-focused channel. Your likes helps the YouTube algorithm promote our videos, allowing others to enjoy this content too. We truly appreciate your support. Go ahead and hit that like button now. Thank you. Something a bit different. Cozy up in style with Sunny By Family Christmas PJs. Add a touch of festive fun to your holidays with the Sunny By Family Christmas PJs matching sets, a must-have for creating cherished family moments. Picture this: Christmas morning, cozy pajamas, and everyone dressed in matching holiday designs. Whether you're snapping the perfect family photo or enjoying a movie marathon, these PJs make every moment magical. From playful prints like What the Elf and Ho 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 to classic plaids and quirky dinosaurs with Santa hats, there's a design to suit every family's personality. These sets are comfy, easy to care for, machine washable, and perfect for gifting your loved ones a cozy festive surprise. Customers love their soft feel, stylish designs, and how they add warmth and personality to holiday celebrations. Ready to bring the family together in comfort and holiday cheer? Find the link in the description and grab your set today. Now, here's the perfect Caribbean Christmas gift set pre-packed in a beautiful gift box. J-irie's 5-piece Holiday Caribbean Seasoning Gift Set. Transform your holiday meals into a Caribbean feast with J-irie's 5-piece Holiday Caribbean Seasoning Gift Set, the perfect gift for food lovers. Beautifully pre-packaged in a festive gift box, this set makes a thoughtful and flavorful present for anyone who loves to cook. Start with the dry jerk seasoning, the heart of any festive grill or roast, delivering the perfect mix of spice and sweetness. Pair it with the bold jerk sauce for a saucy, flavor-packed upgrade to any dish. The oxtail seasoning brings soul-warming comfort to your cooking, perfect for those cozy holiday gatherings. Complete your culinary arsenal with the Caribbean all-purpose seasoning and Caribbean curry powder, versatile staples that elevate everything from breakfast eggs to rich curries. Each spice is crafted to infuse your dishes with the authentic warmth and bold flavors of the Caribbean. Raved about for its vibrant flavors and versatility, this gift set is sure to impress any home chef. Next up, the legendary Jane Parker Fruitcake, a holiday must-have. Get ready for a serious slice of holiday cheer with the iconic Jane Parker Fruitcake, a Caribbean Christmas classic since the 1930s. Packed with raisins, glazed pineapple, cherries, and pecans, this fruitcake goes the extra mile with a grown-up twist of bourbon and rum baked right into the batter. Forget the dry fruitcakes of the past. This one is moist, rich, and bursting with flavor, winning rave reviews from skeptics and fans alike. Wrapped in a collectible holiday tin, it's not just a dessert, it's a piece of history and a perfect gift or festive decor piece. Best of all, it stays fresh at room temperature for a year, making it the gift that keeps on giving. Next, you should celebrate the season with handmade Caribbean Christmas ornaments for your Christmas tree. Bring the vibrant spirit of the Caribbean to your holiday decor with these exquisite handmade Caribbean Christmas ornaments. Carefully crafted with intricate details, these ornaments feature stunning tropical designs that beautifully capture the essence of island life. Each piece is a mini masterpiece, showcasing vivid colors, natural motifs, and traditional Caribbean charm. Whether it's a palm tree, a beachy scene, or other festive island-inspired designs, these ornaments add warmth and personality to your Christmas tree. Lightweight and durable, they're perfect for gifting or keeping as a cherished reminder of your love for the tropics. Reviewers rave about their quality craftsmanship and how they brighten up any holiday season with a splash of Caribbean joy. These aren't just gifts or decorations, they're opportunities to create memories, share joy, and bring a little Caribbean magic to your holidays. Number 10. Appleton Estate's Signature Blend Jamaican Rum. Wrapping up our list of the top 10 Caribbean Christmas essentials, we've got something truly special that's bound to add some sparkle to your festive celebrations: the Appleton Estate's Signature Blend Jamaican Rum. This isn't just any rum. It's like the guest of honor at your holiday party, bringing that unmistakable Jamaican cheer right to your glass. Appleton Estate has really outdone itself with this signature blend. It's crafted from a selection of mellow-aged rums that come together to form a smooth, complex flavor profile that's hard to find anywhere else. Each snip promises a journey for your senses, wrapping your plate in a rich tapestry of tastes and aromas that scream, "This is Jamaica!" But here's what seals the deal: its versatility. This rum is the perfect +1 for any holiday gathering. Neat, on the rocks, or as the star of your signature holiday cocktail, it doesn't just complement your festive lineup, it elevates it. The Appleton Estate Signature Blend has a way of fitting in perfectly, no matter the crowd, making every sip a moment to remember. What makes the Appleton Estate Signature Blend stand out in the crowd is its undeniable smoothness paired with its complex flavor profile. It's like it was made for Christmas, to warm you up from the inside out and keep the festive spirit going. If your Christmas checklist includes creating memorable moments, adding a bottle of Appleton Estate Signature Blend Jamaican Rum is practically a no-brainer. Ready to make this season unforgettable? Click the links in the description to grab these unique Caribbean Christmas must-haves for yourself or as thoughtful gifts for your loved ones, and bring the vibrant spirit of the islands to your homes. By using these affiliate links, you're not only getting unique and festive items, but also supporting our channel, helping us create more amazing content for you. Thank you for your support. Check out this video on Caribbean Christmas traditions in the Caribbean and the Caribbean diaspora. Don't wait. These treasures are the perfect way to celebrate the warmth, style, and island vibes. If you loved this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more amazing Caribbean-inspired content. Thanks for watching, and happy holidays from all of us at Caribbean Focus.